आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स AKUEB एग्जामिनेशन अप्रैल में 2019 का पेपर 1 सॉल्व करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की तरफ। सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 we have two sets in which one is set A and the other is set B, and we have to find the difference of these two sets B minus A. So set B is 1 and 2 and set A is element with A. So as we can see that these two sets are actually disjoint sets, and for this joint set the difference is always equal to set B. हम इन दोनों सेट्स को डिफरेंस लें दोनों का, तो देर इज नथिंग कॉमन एलिमेंट बिटवीन them. So the result we will get equals to set B. So option B we have is the correct answer for this question. Next, we have question number 2, in which we have a universal set and A union B. We have to find the value of A complement intersection with B complement. So as we can see this expression, we have seen this expression in our De Morgan's law. And in De Morgan's law, we have studied that A complement union B complement, intersection B complement is equals to A union B whole complement. So actually we have to find the value of A union B whole complement, that will be equal to A complement intersection with B complement. So we can find this A union B whole complement by subtracting the value of A union B from the universal set. In universal set, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 subtracted with 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after subtraction, 1, 2, 3, 4 will cancel out. We will get only 5. So we have correct option, that is option B. So let's come to another question. We have question number 3 and question number 4. In question number 3, we have three sets X, Y, and Z, and we have to identify the correct relation between these four options. So if we can see these option, this option D is the correct answer, and this expression is the commutation of union. We know that the union operation is commutative. So if we take X union Y union with Z, and Y union Z with X, so at both sides the relation or the answers will be the same, unlike these three above three options in which left hand side will not be equal to the right hand side. So हम इस एक्सप्रेशन को, इस ऑप्शन को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं बाय टेकिंग एनी arbitrary simple sets. For example, x is 1, y we have a, and z is equals to c. We can verify this expression by using these three sets. We will get option D, in which both sides of the equation will be equal. So let's come to our question number 4. In question number 4, we have a binary relation and we have to find the range of this binary relation. So as we know that range is actually a set of all the ordinates of the given relation. अगर हम इस रिलेशन के तमाम ऑर्डिनेट्स का सेट फॉर्म करें, सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द रेंज ऑफ दैट रिलेशन. सो ये जो मैं जिन पार्ट्स को सर्कल कर रहा हूँ, दीज आर नोन एज ऑर्डिनेट्स. सो इफ वी कैन मेक द set of these ordinate A, B, C, and D. So this is actually the range of this relation. So the correct option for question number 4 is option D. Let's come to next question, that is question number 5. And in question number 5, we have to identify a function from set A to set B. So as we know that the definition of function is such that domain of that function should be equal to A, and domain must not be repeated. So let's apply these condition on these above set. Let's say if this is a function, this means the domain of this function should be equal to a, and we have domain that is a and e, and we know that this is not equals to a, so it's mean this will not be a function. Similarly, in the option third, a and a, this range, this domain, elements of domain is repeated, it's mean this cannot be a function, it is just a binary relation. In option b, we have A, E, and I as domain, and this domain is equal to our set A. It's mean the correct option for this question number 5 is option B. Let's come to question number 6. In this question, we have two complex numbers that are equated to I plus 3 is equals to B plus AI minus 3I, and we have to find the value of a. So for the value of a, we will equate the imaginary part with the imaginary one. 2i plus 3 is equals to b plus I and a minus 3. I हमने कॉमन ले लिया ताकि हम जो है वो कंप्लीट इमेजनरी पार्ट को इक्वेट कर सकें. सो यहाँ हमारे पास जो इमेजनरी पार्ट है दैट इज a minus 3 and we have imaginary part as 2. So a minus 3 will be equals to 2, then a will be equals to 2 plus 3, so a will be equals to 5. So the value of a in this equation of a complex number is 5. So the correct option is option D. Let's come to our question number 7 and 8. In question number 7, we have to simplify this complex number. And in this complex number, we have AI plus IB minus B minus A. So we can take iota as common. In the first two terms, we will get A plus B, and we can take minus 1 common from this expression, and we will get B minus B plus A or A plus B. We can again take common from this expression, a plus b is common, so we will get a minus 1 remaining. So the correct option, we have this a plus b into iota minus 1. So the correct option we have is option b, or of question number 7. Next, we have question number 8, and we have to identify that which of the following is a terminating decimal fraction. So, the terminating decimal fraction is always a rational, because rational number can be terminating as well as non-terminating. So, irrational number cannot be a terminating number. So these two options are actually irrational, because यहाँ एक number जो आ रहा है integer, that is inside the square root, it's mean the expression will be, or this number will be an irrational number. So irrational number जो है वो terminating नहीं होता, it is always non-terminating. So these options are incorrect. In these two options, we have both rational numbers, and rational number can be a terminating and non-terminating as well. So if we can calculate these two terms, 4 over 3 and 3 over 4, 4 over 3 is a rational, simultaneously it is non-terminating and recurring. So option B is the correct answer, in which 3 over 4 is a rational number and a rational number that is terminating. So option B for question number 8 is the correct answer. So let's see question number 9. And in question number 9, we have to simplify the simple expression a square into b over b cube, and the square root of this whole expression. So we can simply cancel out this b. So we will get a square over b square under this square root, and these squares will be cancelled out with their roots. So we will get a over b, that is the correct answer. So question number 9, the correct answer is option B. So let's see question number 10. And in question number 10, we have the expression 5 into 10 raised to the power minus b that is equals to 0.0500. So let's convert this expression into the scientific form. Then this decimal will come to after 5. So this will become 510 raised to the power minus 2, because we have shifted two digits toward right. So expression जो है वो 10 रेज टू दी पावर में हम माइनस कर देंगे. सो अगर हम इन दोनों एक्सप्रेशन को आपस में कंपेयर करें, सो 5 सेम प्लेसेस पर हैं, 10 सेम प्लेसेस पे, एंड दिस नेगेटिव साइन एंड नेगेटिव साइन. ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैम इज बी की जगह हमारे पास 2 आ रहा है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर और द वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज 2. सो द ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Let's see the other question, that is question number 11. And in this question, we have to convert this expression into the logarithmic form, where a raised to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 over 16. So let's convert this expression into logarithmic form. So जब भी हम logarithmic form में convert करते हैं, तो this power will become the base, and this base will become the base of the logarithm. So इस माइनस 3 को हम नीचे ले आते हैं और 1/16 एज इट इज रहेगा, और इसके साथ हम लॉग को प्लेस कर देंगे, और ये जो बेस थी हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, इट विल बिकम द बेस ऑफ द logarithm. So the correct option we have for this question number 11 is option A. So let's see question number 12. In this question, we have a logarithmic expression, and we have to apply the properties of logarithm to convert this into a single log. So log की हमने प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी थी, that is known as change of base. So change of base means उसको हम इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Let's suppose log a to the base b. हम उसको डिफरेंट लॉग के साथ रेशियो की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं with the different base. Like for example, log a to the base b is equals to log of a divided by log of b with any base of our choice. So हम अपनी मर्जी से यहाँ कोई भी बेस जो है वो प्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो सेम बेस है यहाँ पर x और x, और हमने जो है ए और बी यहाँ जो लॉग लिया हुआ था उसको न्यूमरेटर में रखा, और जो बेस थी उसका लोगारिथम हमने डिनोमिनेटर में प्लेस किया. सेम प्रॉपर्टी अगर हम इस एक्सप्रेशन के ऊपर अप्लाई करें, सो वी विल गेट लोगारिथम ऑफ एक्स टू द बेस वाई. सो ये हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन आ जाएगा. सो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 वी हैव दिस करेक्ट आंसर एज ऑप्शन बी, log of x to the base y. Let's come to question number 13. And in 13, we have an algebraic expression a square minus 2ab square. And we have to find the value of this expression at these values of a and b. So in values को substitute कर देते हैं. a की value -1 square -2, a की जगह हमने -1 प्लेस कर दिया, और b की जगह हम प्लेस कर देते हैं -1 with square. So -1 square will be +1, and -2 -1, and -1 square is again +1. So +1 and minus minus will be +2. So we have the correct answer, that is 1 + 2 3. So question number 13, we have the correct option, that is option D. So let's move to the next question, that is question number 14. And in question number 14, we have to find the value of a certain expression by using a simple algebraic formula. So this is the required value, and we are given with these two values. So by using an algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2. So a plus b whole square is given, that is 81, and a square plus b square is the required value, so plus 2ab, and for ab we can replace 20. So expression हमारा कुछ इस तरह से फॉर्म हो जाएगा, a square plus b square plus 40, and the value of a square plus b square will be equals to 81 minus 40, that will be equal to, for question number 40, question number 14, the answer will be equal to 41. That is the correct answer. So let's solve in other question from the same year, question number 15. We have to simplify this expression, 6 plus square root of 35 and 6 minus square root of 35 over 3 minus root 8 into 3 plus root 8. सो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों जगह हमारे पास एल्जेब्रिक फार्मूला अप्लाई हो रहा है, दैट इज ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी. फैक्टराइज फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेशन लिखा हुआ है, हम उसको एक्सपेंड कर देते हैं. सो ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली सेम फार्मूला हम डिनोमिनेटर में भी अप्लाई करते हैं. सो दिस विल बिकम 6 स्क्वायर माइनस square root 35 square, and in denominator 3 square minus square root 8 square. So 6 square is 36 and square root 35 is equals to 35. Denominator में हमारे पास आ जाएगा 9 minus 8, so 1 over 1. So the correct option for question number 15 is option C. Let's see the next question, and question number 16, we have to simplify this expression, x minus 1 whole square over x square minus 1. So denominator में हम factorize कर देते हैं x square minus 1 को, and x square minus 1 की factorization we know that it is equals to x plus 1 and x minus 1. We have 2x minus 1 in numerator, so this will be cancelled out, and remaining we will get x minus 1 over x plus 1. So the correct option for question number 16 is option C, x minus 1 over x plus 1. So let's see question number 17. And in question number 17, we have to factorize this expression. So this is the expression in the form of difference of squares. So 3a minus b whole square. So let us solve or factorize this expression from using the formula of difference of a square. 9 will become 3 square and 3a minus b whole square. So after applying the difference of a square, we will get 3 plus 3a minus b and 3 minus 3a minus b. So in terms को simplify करते हैं, so this will become 3 plus 3a minus b and 3 minus 3, 3a plus b. So the correct answer for this question number 17 is option B, in which we have the correct factorized form as we have solved here. Next, we have question number 18, and in this question, we have to again factorize this expression. So in this expression, we have x square plus 2x plus 2xy plus 4y. So let's take common from the first two terms, and we have x common in these first two terms. So we will get x plus 2 remaining. Similarly, we have 2y common, so we will get to x plus 2 in the bracket. Again taking x plus 2 as common, so हमारे पास remaining बच जाएगा x plus 2y. So we have these two factors of this given expression. So correct option we have for question number 18 is option D, in which we have these two factors, x plus 2 and x plus 2y. Next, we have question number 19, and in question number 19, we have to again factorize this expression, 2a cube minus 2. So as we can see, 2 is the common. We can take common and we will get a cube minus 1. And by applying the difference of cube, we can get the complete factorized form of this expression, a cube minus 1 cube. So this will be equal to a minus 1, a square minus a plus 1. So the correct option for this question number 19 is option B, that is, or okay, so we will have plus sign in this. So फॉर्मूला अगर हम लिख दें यहाँ पर ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब दैट इज इक्वल्स टू ए माइनस बी एंड ए स्क्वायर plus AB plus B square. So the correct option in question number 19 is option B. Next we have question number 20, and one of the factor of this expression x cube minus x square minus 4x minus 4. So one method is that we can put the values of x and we can see whether this expression becomes 0 or not. So other way is to take the common और factorize करने की कोशिश करते हैं इसको. if we take x square common, so remaining हमारे पास बच जाएगा x minus 1. Similarly 4 हमने common ले लिया, हमारे पास remaining बच जाएगा -4 common ले लेते हैं. So this is positive, so we will get x plus 1. -4 अगर हम common ले लें तो हमारे पास x plus 1 remaining बचेगा. On further factorization we will get x plus 1 and x square minus 4. So इसको further factorize कर सकते हैं हम x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 2. सो यहाँ हमारे पास ये चार ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा फैक्टर दैट मैचेस विद द कंप्लीट फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 we have option C, that is the correct answer. So next we have question number 21, and in this question number 21, for this expression, one of the zero of the given polynomial is this. So हमें number of we have to find the zeros कि किस वैल्यू पर जो है वो हमारे पास ये एक्सप्रेशन कंप्लीट जीरो फॉर्म करता है. सो वी कैन पुट द वैल्यूज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x क्यूब माइनस 3. सो अगर हम पहले -2 पुट करें, सो -2 स्क्वायर -2 इंटू -2 क्यूब -3. So -2 square is 4, -2 cube is -8 into -2 is +16, -3 that is not equal to 0. So let's check this option, that is -1. X square minus 2x cube minus 3 for the value of x equals to -1. So this will become -1 square minus 2 into -1 cube minus 3. So -1 square is +1. And -1 cube will be -1. So this +1 +2 -3 will all equal to 0. So the 0 of this polynomial is option B, in which x is equals to -1. Okay, let's see question number 22. If we have these quantities in proportion A ratio B equals to C ratio D, then according to invertendo property, सो अगर हम इन्वर्टेंडो प्रॉपर्टी को रिकॉल करें, सो इन्वर्टेंडो प्रॉपर्टी में एक्चुअली हम क्या करते हैं, हम फर्स्ट और सेकंड प्रोपोर्शन को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्रोपोर्शन, इन दोनों को आपस में रिवर्स कर देंगे. सिमिलरली थर्ड प्रोपोर्शन एंड फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शन आर रिवर्स. सो इन दोनों को हम रिवर्स कर दें. सो इन्वर्टेंडो प्रॉपर्टी स्टेट्स दैट ऐसा करने से हमारा जो रेशियो है या जो हमारा प्रोपोर्शन है उस प्रोपोर्शन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सो दिस इज नोन एज द इन्वर्टेंडो प्रॉपर्टी. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, करेक्ट आंसर वी हैव इज ऑप्शन ए. Okay, so let's see question number 23, in which we have k, 5 and 25 are in continued proportion. So k ratio 5 ratio 25, they are in continued proportion and we have to find the value of k. So इसे हम जो है वो proportion, simple proportion के अंदर convert करते हैं. So k ratio 5 will be proportional to 5 ratio 25. So k की वैल्यू हम यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन. So k into 25 will be equals to 5 into 5. So our k will be equals to 5 into 5, that is 25 over 25 equals to 1. So the correct option for question number 23 is option A. So next we have question number 24, and in question number 24 we have to identify this matrix. So as we can see that it has only one row and three columns. So number of rows is not equal to number of columns. It's mean this is our rectangular matrix. साथ साथ इस मैट्रिक्स के अंदर हमारे पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ वन रॉ मौजूद है, तो ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जो है वो रॉ मैट्रिक्स कहलाता है. सो raw matrix is the correct answer and the rectangular matrix is the correct answer. So option D in which 2 and 3, option D is the correct answer. Let's see question number 25. In question number 25, we have to take the transpose of this matrix. So, रिकॉल करें अगर हम अपने मेथड को कि हम ट्रांसपोज किस तरह कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो ट्रांसपोज कैलकुलेट करने का मेथड कुछ इस तरह से है कि वी कैन रिप्लेस आइदर रॉज बाय कॉलम or by column with rows. So we have one first row, so we will make this as a column 2, 3 and 1. Similarly, we have second row, we will make this as a column. So 2, 3 and 1. So for question number 25, we have this correct option in option number C. So let's move to our question number 26. And in question number 26, we have to find the product of these two matrices. And this matrix A is of order of 1 by 2, and this is of order 2 by 1. So as we can see, the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, and we can take the product, and the answer will be the order of 1 by 1. So in the given option, this is of order 1 by 2, this is 2 by 1, and this is 1 by 1. So without further simplification or calculation, we can take this as a correct answer, because यहाँ हमारे पास जो एक्सप्रेशन या जो मैट्रिक्स गिवन है वो 1 by 1 का है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 इज ऑप्शन ए. So let's see question number 27. And in question number 27, we have a matrix that is a singular one. We have to find the possible value or values of A. So we know that the matrix that is singular, it's mean that its determinant should be equal to 0. So let's calculate its determinant A, 18, 2 and A, that is equal to 0. So A into A minus, we will cross multiply these elements with a negative sign between them, 2 multiplied by 18. So this is a square minus a square is 36, that will be equal to 0. So by calculating the value of a square will be equals to 36, and taking a square root on both sides, a will be equals to plus minus 6. So the correct option for question number 27 is option C. Let's see question number 28. We have a matrix and we have to find the determinant of the adjoint of A. So let's calculate first the determinant of this, adjoint of this matrix. एडजॉइंट मैट्रिक्स हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, हम इन डायगनल एलिमेंट्स को आपस में रिप्लेस कर देंगे एंड अपर लोअर डायगनल्स की हम साइन को चेंज कर देंगे, 4 1 -2 एंड -3. सो हमने एडजॉइंट कैलकुलेट कर लिया. अब इसका डिटर्मिनेंट कैलकुलेट करते हैं, 4 इंटू 1 एंड -2 इंटू -3. बीच में हम लगा देते हैं नेगेटिव साइन. 4 इंटू 1 इज 4 एंड -2 इंटू -3 इज +6. So 4 minus 6, that will be equal to -2. So for question number 28, we have the correct answer, that is option B. Next we have question number 29. In question number 29, these two triangles are congruent, and we have to find the value of x. So from this congruency statement, angle A is equal to angle D. This angle A is equals to this angle D, that will be equal to 50 degree. This angle B will be equal to angle F. Angle B will be equal to angle F. So we can state this 35 plus 2x. So we have all three angles in triangle ABC. So we can calculate the value of x. We know that the sum of all the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A is 50, angle B is 335 plus 2x, and angle C is 45 इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो हमें यहाँ से x को कैलकुलेट करना है, तो x कैलकुलेट करने के लिए रिमेनिंग टर्म्स को हम इक्वेशन की दूसरी साइड पर ले जाते हैं. 180 माइनस 45 माइनस 50 माइनस 35 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2. So after calculating this all expression, we will get x is equals to 25 degree. So for question number 29, the correct answer is option B, that is 25 degrees. So let's see question number 30. And in question number 30, we have a given parallelogram ABCD, and we have to identify the correct option among those three. Angle B is equal to angle C, that is the incorrect answer. These two angles are the adjacent angle of a parallelogram that are that are supplementary. So the sum of B plus C should be equals to 180. So B is not equals to C. Similarly, side AB is equals to CD. AB and CD are the parallel side of a parallelogram. This condition is true. And angle D is equals to 180 minus T. So angle C plus angle D will be equals to 180, and angle D is equals to 180 minus angle C. The value of angle C is T. So 180 minus T will be the angle of this angle D. So this condition option 3 is also correct. So question number 30, the correct option is option D, that is 2 and 3. Both statements are correct. Next we have question number 31, and let's see what we have in question number 31. So we have a given triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoint of side AC and AB. It's mean that this is the midpoint, this measurement is equal to this, and if this is also midpoint, it's mean this side is equal to this side. So which of the options are correct? AD is equal to AE. AD and A is not necessarily that these two sides should be correct. Which means this option is incorrect. So we have a theorem related to this expression that the if we join the two midpoints of the sides of the triangle, it is half of the third side, and the remaining sides are proportional. These fragments are proportional to each other. So DE is half of BC. So DE is equals to half of BC. It's mean if this is 5 centimeter, this should be equal to 2.5 centimeter, because we have joined these two midpoints of the triangle. So it is always half of the third side. So this is the correct answer, and D is parallel to BC. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द करेक्ट आंसर. जब भी हम ट्राइंगल की किसी दो साइड के मिड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं, तो वो साइड हमेशा थर्ड साइड के पैरेलल होती है और थर्ड साइड का हाफ होती है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 इज ऑप्शन सी. So let's come to question number 32. And in question number 32, we have our triangle ABC, and AF, BDF, and ECE are the intersecting point O. And we have these three medians of this triangle. It's mean if this is a median, this should be equal to this side, and this segment will be equal to this segment, and this segment is equal to this segment. Let's see what we are asked. If AF is equal to 6, A to F is all equal to 6, and we have to find the value of OA. So, median is always a point of trisection. It's mean this all line from A to F will be divided into three parts, and these three parts in which this point of median is a point of trisection. It's mean कि अगर हम 6 के 3 पार्ट्स बनाए तो we will get 2, 2 and 2. So 2 parts हमारे पास यहाँ पर आएंगे और 1 part हमारे पास यहाँ आ जाएगा, बिकॉज 2:1 का रेशियो फॉर्म होता है जब मीडियंस आपस में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 4 एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर्स. So let's see question number 33. And what we have in question number 33 is the given shows our parallelogram. यहाँ हमारे पास एक parallelogram given है ABCD, and we have to find the angle BCE. बी सी एंड ई, हमें ये एंगल जो है वो यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स से दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स, and angle B and angle C are the adjacent angle of a parallelogram, and adjacent angles of a parallelogram are always supplementary. It's mean that angle B plus angle C will be equals to 180 degree. Angle B is 65. Angle C is x plus 40, that is equals to 180. So for the value of x, 180 minus 65 minus 40. So we will get the correct answer, that is equal to 75. So the correct option for this question number 33 is option B, 75 degrees. Let's see question number 34. In question number 34, where EF is the right bisector of side BC. So EF is the right bisector, it means this will be 90 degree, and this portion will be equal to this portion. Then triangle ABC and triangle DCB are what type of triangle? So we know that this point A lies on the right bisector and this point D lies on the right bisector. So the theorem says that whenever a point lie on a right bisector of a side, it is equidistant from the sides or the ends of the line segment. इसका मतलब है कि ये पॉइंट जो है वो राइट बाइसेक्टर के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है. सो दिस मीन्स के पॉइंट बी और पॉइंट सी से इसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो बराबर होगा. इसी तरह से पॉइंट डी भी बाइसेक्टर के ऊपर लाई कर रहा है, तो यहाँ ये साइड और ये साइड ये दोनों जो है वो आपस में बराबर होंगी. तो हमें ट्राइंगल ए बी सी और डी बी सी के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, ए बी सी. सो इस ट्राइंगल के अंदर हमारे पास एक ये साइड और ये साइड बराबर हैं. सिमिलरली ट्राइंगल डी बी सी में भी हमारे पास ये साइड और ये साइड बराबर है. ट्राइंगल हैविंग टू इक्वल साइड्स एंड टू इक्वल एंगल इज नोन एज आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. सो ऑप्शन बी हमारे पास करेक्ट आंसर है फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. Let's move toward the last question of our this year exam paper, in which we have our triangle EFG, and we have to identify the true statement. इस ट्राइंगल में हमारे पास दो साइड्स गिवन है, जी एफ इक्वल्स टू 2 एंड ई एफ इज इक्वल टू 6. So the side opposite to the greatest, the angle opposite to the greatest side is greater, and the angle opposite to the smaller side is smaller. So angle G lie कर रहा है opposite to the side 6, and angle E lie कर रहा है opposite to the side 2. सो इट्स मीन दैट ई के सामने साइड स्मॉलर है, जी के सामने साइड ग्रेटर है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल जी है इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल ई. So the correct answer we have in this question is option B, that is angle G greater than angle E.